After another stretch of mild weather, it looks like some much colder weather coming in. Also some moisture coming in with that. We really need that. So looks like some snow and rain changing over to snow across much of the area. Give you a few details of what we know so far. We did issue some winter storm watches this morning. Only for the northwestern part of the state, basically the Tetons, Yellowstone, as well as the Absarokas. Starting end times, go to our website, weather.gov/RAW. We'll see more highlights, though, as we go through the next couple of days, so keep checking back for those details. Will be some wind with this system as well. This is the expected wind on Thursday. You can see many areas see wind gusts to 30, 40, 45 miles per hour as the system moves across, as the snow comes in. Now, one thing I want to note here, 31 miles per hour around Buffalo, that might be a little bit, not quite as strong, I should say, as it needs to be. We could see gusts to 40, 50 miles per hour on Thursday night as that front comes through. Now, as far as snowfall, that's the thing you really want to know. Many areas it's still 2.5, 3 days out, so I can't really nail down exact numbers here. Give you a range of possibilities, though. I'd say at least this much snow across the area. Lower elevations, I'd say at least 1 to 2 inches, stay from Riverton over toward Casper, up toward Buffalo as well. Across the western valleys, probably 1 or 2 inches, I'd say at least. Highest amounts out of this probably going to be in the Tetons, I think at least 6 to 12 inches here. Now, the likely maximum amount we'll see, only about a 1 in 10 chance of exceeding this. See, it goes up quite a bit there. Western valleys anywhere from about, say, 3 to 6 inches. Across southern areas of Wyoming, 1 to 3 around southern Lincoln County, 1 to 4 across the Green River Basin, I-80, anywhere from about 2 to 4. Higher amounts as you head east of Rock Springs out toward Wamsutter. Central Wyoming may be the hardest hit out of this. If things set up right, anywhere from about 4 to 6 inches, anywhere from DuBois down to Riverton over here toward Casper. Highest amounts here probably with the northerly flow coming in behind the system. Upslope areas, land over toward Jeffrey City, south side of Casper, toward Casper Mountain. Across northern Wyoming, anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches across portions of Johnson County. Anywhere from about 1 to 5 inches across the Bighorn Basin. Least amounts probably falling up around Level and Graybull. Highest amounts south of Cody down toward Batetse, and also south and east of Waterland, east of Thermopolis down toward Tensleeve and toward the foothills of the Bighorns in this area. Now, as far as timing with this, we'll be fine today. We'll be fine on Wednesday as well. Snow will start coming into the northwestern mountains probably Wednesday night into the Thursday time frame. Now, those of us east of the divide, we should be fine through most of Thursday as well. Could be some rain changing to snow later on in the day on Thursday, but with how warm it's been, the very strong sun angle we have now, the sun's as strong as it is in August right now, so anything that falls in the roads likely won't stick. Highest impacts in this area are probably going to be definitely Thursday night into the first part of Friday morning, before it starts tapering off Friday afternoon as the system moves away to the south and east. And one more component with this, that's going to be the much colder temperatures coming. It's been very, very mild across the area. There will be some colder temperatures Thursday night with the snow, but Friday night may end up being the coldest night of all, especially if we can get some clearing. Now, as far as impacts, if you've been around here a long time, obviously, we don't plant gardens or crops this early. It's April. People in here a long time don't do that, but a lot of trees have started coming out. We even have leaves on the trees, some of the trees as well. Flowers are starting to come out as well. Some people are turning on the sprinkler systems as well. This is a percent chance we'll get below 20 degrees across the area, down in the teens basically. You can see much of the area. You kind of expect it still across portions of the west, but eastern areas where I see a lot of places are firing up their sprinklers. Better than a 1 in 2 chance probably getting below 20 degrees there, so you may want to keep an eye on that. Make sure it doesn't freeze. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our website, weather.gov/RAW. For road conditions, again, don't call us for road conditions. Go right to WYDOT, go right to the source here. RAWroad.info. You on the web, you want to call them on the phone, 511 in-state or 1-888 Wild Road out of state. Be safe, everybody. Enjoy your day.